about the opposition. BJP are breaking a reaction which is now upping the ante against the DMK and questioning the law and order situation in the state. Well, so far, when it comes to the reactions that have been coming from both the BSP side and from the BJP side, they are raising questions on the law and order situation in the state of Tamil Nadu. As far as this killing is concerned, Mayawati has also reacted and said that the gruesome killing of K. Armstrong in Tamil Nadu State Bahujan Samaj Party president outside his Chennai house is highly deplorable and condemnable. An advocate by profession, he was a strong Dalit voice in the state, and the state government must punish the guilty. Well, Dharni, that's the reaction that is coming in from Mayawati.
Mayawati was assumed to react to this murder, and yesterday she has called this crime a very condemnable one, and she has told that the state government should ensure the guilty are punished in this matter. And sources are also telling us that there is a possibility of Mayawati coming down to Chennai to pay respects to Armstrong and also to offer condolences to the friends and family. This is a source-based information which is yet to be confirmed. And also we are looking at a reaction from Congress MP Karthi P. Chidambaram on Twitter. He is calling this incident a saddening and shocking one, and he is telling that it is saddening to see these kind of heinous and gruesome incidents happening in Tamil Nadu. It is condemnable. Government and police should act against those who are involved in such crimes with an iron hand, is what Karthi P. Chidambaram has to say, the Congress MP from Sivaganga. And actor Vijay has also reacted to this a gruesome incident. TVK chief and actor Vijay has told that Tamil Nadu government should initiate necessary precautionary measures to prevent such heinous crimes from happening again. I request the government to maintain law and order without compromise and ensure the safety of all. This is the reaction we are looking at from TVK chief and actor Vijay. And apart from that, leader of opposition Edappadi Palanisamy and K. Annamalai
reactions coming in all sides as they have been questioning the law and order situation. And as far as this incident that has been reported, till now the police say preliminary information coming in, several teams that have been formed, 8 people who have been taken into custody. Let's quickly also listen into a BJP reaction coming in.
Every indie rule state is becoming a casualty. We saw what happened in Punjab and now in Tamil Nadu under the watch of DMK. The Bahujan Samaj Party's Tamil Nadu President Armstrong has been hacked to death by a gang of 6 members, and that too at 7 p.m. and they came with heavy weaponry, with machetes, with swords, with sickles, and they used this in the evening at 7 p.m. and hacked Armstrong to death. The crime rates in Tamil Nadu, crimes in Tamil Nadu, particularly in Chennai, are on the rise under DMK's watch, because DMK's priority is something else. It is only corruption and money making. And therefore in Kallakurichi, 65 Dalits are killed. Now this kind of incident takes place where Bahujan Samaj Party president is killed. Does Mr. Stalin even have the moral right to continue? हर इंडी अलायंस के राज्य में कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त होती जा रही है. पंजाब में तो आपने देखा सड़कों पर दिन दहाड़े कैसे हमला किया जाता है. और
Well, that is the reaction coming on part of the BJP raising questions on the law and order situation that prevails in the state of Tamil Nadu. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.